Hello and welcome back to my studio. As you can see, I've been busy. I'm still working on my children's book, and I did say that I would try to share the process and the progress of this here on my YouTube. So here it is. It's sometimes a nuisance to be filming and painting, so I'm not always going to be filming every single step, but I definitely want to be checking in along the way, and I'll be making all sorts of fun videos. But anyways, I've been having a lot of fun painting all these creatures. I'm getting very detailed painting snails, ladybugs. Got a beaver in this one, baby deer, and I still have a fair bit of work on this big pile of garbage. This is going to be my challenge, using my imagination, and still working on the ogres. I still want to have some more details in the forest as well. And what I'm going to paint now is a wild boar. So I might film that anyways. And I just did a quick sketch. So sometimes what I like to do is grab a chalk pencil. I don't always do that. Let's see. But I am thinking of this very friendly and kind of goofy looking wild boar. I think this boar likes this stench of the garbage and the ogres. Okay. I wonder if he has tusks. Never thought of that. I guess wild boars sometimes have tusks. Anyways, let's paint a wild boar. So I want him to be darker gray, blackish, brownish is how I picture boars. Big ears, just like any other pig, and a little furrier than your average pig. Same kind of big snout. He's turning out cuter than my picture. So I always recommend doing a sketch first, but never feel married to your sketch. You can, if you get inspired to go in a different direction, then just go for it. Especially when you're creating a character for the first time. I mean, I want to keep it consistent throughout the book, but this wild boar creature is going to be fairly elusive and only make little appearances here and there. Not going to be one of the main characters, but I love wild boars and pigs in general, so I definitely wanted to include my friend, the wild boar. Inoshishi in Japanese. Definitely don't want them to be as scary as the wild pigs in the Ghibli movie, the Princess Mononoke. A little bit more kawaii and kawaii. Make his belly bigger. So when you're first painting a creature, just being pretty loose at first to get the general shape down, and then you start highlighting to really define what goes where. He's a cute little wild boar, isn't he? So I added some more detail off camera. He's not quite finished yet, and nor is this painting. There's still a lot of detail I want to add. I have to work on the big pile of garbage quite a bit more, and the ogres, and then just finishing touches, maybe another animal or two. So I'll keep you posted. See you next time. And please enjoy a lavender shortbread cookie made by me.